morning, kids. Welcome to my class. I am Amrita ma'am, and today we will learn I sound words. Here we emphasize on I. Some words are like sound of I as bin. B-I-N, bin. Okay. I phonic sound is E. I का phonic sound E. So B-I-N, bean. I E sound. Okay. So B-E N, bin, right? So B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. P-I-N, pin. T-I-N, tin, right? So next, S-I-N, sin. W-I-N, win. J-I-N, gin. K-I-N, can. P-I-T, pit. H-I-T, hit. इसने बॉल को हिट किया, राइट? S-I-T, सिट. वो बैठा. K-I-T, किट. B-I-T, bit. L-I-T, lit. F-I-T, fit. G-I-T, get. Next, wow. K-I-T-E, kite. You know kite? It's mean patang. I-C-E, ice, means barf. Right. What is this? D-I-C-E, dice. D-I-C-E, N-I-N-E, nine. Letter 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. It's 9. M-I-C-E, mice. L-I-C-E, lice. P-I-P-E, pipe. T-I-M-E, time. So this is I sounds word. Okay. So some match the following, right? So this is 9. Find out. Yes, N-I-N-E. So match 9. What is this? Ice. Just search it. Where is 9? Sorry, ice. I-C-E, ice. 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Mice. M-I-C-E. चूहे का बच्चा mice. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Where is light? Yes. And dice. D-I-C-E. Match. Dice. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Missing letters. What? देखो. Yes. Just fill in. K-I-N-G. King. Right? P-I-N-E. Pin. B-I-N-E. Bin. Fill in the blanks में I fit होगा और हमारा I and K. Ink. ये ink pot है और इस पे ink निकल रहा है. Right? So this is ink. I and K. It means स्याही. T-I-N-E. Teen. Right? And F-I-S-H. Fish. Right? This is I sound word. I का phonic sound क्या होता है? E. So फिर से हम बोलेंगे B. I N. I का मैंने बताया आपको. I sound is E. Ba. E. N. Bin. What? Ba. E. N. Bin. Right? Next. F. E. N. Fin. Means मछली की fins. This is fin. Okay? This one is P-I-N. Pa. E. N. Pin. Phonic sound is Pa. E. N. Pin. Next one is T. T phonic sound is T. I phonic sound is E. And N phonic sound is N. So this is tin. Right? So kids, ये I sound word है. Okay? 3 letter I sound words. और आप इसे I sound word भी बोल सकते हो और rhyming words भी बोलते हैं. जैसे in. Okay? It. तो rhymings कैसे? एक जैसा मिलता जुलता जो होगा राइम्स की तरह, जो सॉन्ग की तरह हम लोग गाते हैं. बिन, फिन, पिन, टिन, सिन, विन, जिन, किन. दिस इज राइमिंग वर्ड. नेक्स्ट, पिट, हिट, सिट, किट. राइट? नेक्स्ट, काइट, आइस, डाइस, 9. This is rhyming word or I sound words both. So this class is over. Thank you.